That's not big one. Is that the one I caught on the,
This is a striper.
Yeah, that's the one I caught on the crankbait, I think.
Ow! He got me. Oh my god.
That's the one I caught on the crankbait.
Oh my
That's
god.
the PB on the artificial. Yeah, that's the one I caught on the crankbait. The beast.
Here's
Here's a crappie.
Oh, crappie. Could feed a village with this.
A village.
Get that one. Oh, there's still a bunch on the other side.
God.
This is like nuts. We've never done this good. How many
We're not done yet. We still got like 5 or 6. We can use a crappie.
That's the one we just caught. How do you just grab them? They always
How do you know?
You know what you do?
Because it was a striper, we just cut it
You
off striper.
stick it like
Don't
that,
worry,
push your hand into their stomach, and go.
Where'd it?
There's one down there.
I can't lift it up. No, like, it's like 100 pounds worth of fish.
Yeah.
There's still another one.
It's the last one, I think.
It's a bending this.
And that's all.
Jennings, you're gonna have to carry you. It's gonna tear the net.
There's so many.
Jennings, grab that side.
Yeah, you grab one side and you grab the other.
Ready? Go. Oh, gosh.
Crazy.
Alright.